Hello and welcome to my unboxing of the Nike Air Zoom SuperRep Max 2. Got it right that time. I bought these shoes for Kate so that she can smash out her workouts. I think she's actually just going to wear them as normal shoes. I bought some white ones, can't remember what they are, but now I've got these black ones because she wanted them to go with the black leggings, black tops and all the rest of it, or whatever other outfit she decided to wear. This box is helping Nike move towards a zero carbon world. Open pull tab on that side, and it says they're planting 1 million trees on that edge. I've also managed to have my hair cut after weeks and weeks and weeks. Beard trim, 1.5 down the sides, and that being out in the sun playing tennis this morning, the freckles have just exploded all over my wrinkly forehead. I've got now its permanent line. I think it's since becoming apparent for the second time. So, pull tab. That was easy. The good thing is, straight away, nice and easy for the returns. You have, if they don't fit, you don't like the look or anything else, you can just pull that off, stick it back down, and send it straight back. That's good when brands. I love it when brands do that. Returns label, and then the orange Nike box. So that can go inside. I've just hit myself in the face. Don't know if that came on camera or not. I'll just do another one just in case. Kate's size, this is a 5.5, but in terms of the UK size, is a 3 because she has miniature doll feet. So that's open. Let's see what else we've got in here. So actually, for me, I think it's quite fashionable in terms of the way they have it kind of goes over the toe. So the other ones I've got, it extends around. The fact they kind of got the soft fabric here and across the toe, but the toe, the kind of like neoprene bit just kind of comes around the big toe. I'm assuming that's just kind of a bit of protection. This is a HIIT Class shoe, which is probably why you've got the high density foam sole. You've got the Air underneath. I'll try and give you so it says Air Zoom across there. It is a really pretty shoe, but it's black with white and it's got a nice thick wedge sole. So I think that's why she is planning on wearing it as a fashion shoe as well as in the HIIT classes that she does at home. You can see the 2 air pockets underneath, so you can spring off. You're doing your burpees, your star jumps, your mountain climbers, whatever you need to. These are the black and white ones. They do come in lots of other colors, so you can kind of see they got very breathable. You can actually see through this part of the shoe, and you hear it's just a mesh fabric, so it helps your feet breathe. Good supports, like I say, with the sole, with the air pocket. You've got the swoosh tick, and look how small they are. They're barely bigger than my hands. With all that in mind, a very high quality shoe, very high quality HIIT shoe for high intensity interval training, home workouts, gym workouts, class workouts, whatever you need to do with this shoe, it will support you with that sole, with those air pockets, and you will look good while you're doing it. I think they do this in the men. The SuperRep 2 is a men's shoe and a women's shoe, so you can have this style of shoe, the HIIT Class shoe, whether you're a man or a woman. But I think generally it could do everything that you want it to do. £104, so it's this premium price point. The tongue, it says on it SuperRep, but everything about this shoe, I don't think there's anything that she's gonna not like, in all honesty. So as always, like, comment below. Other than that, I'll see you next time.